Hey, this is Tyler. I have something really important to share with you about Windows Update. And so we've finally reached October 2025, and so support of Windows 10 was supposed to end, right? No. Um, it's good news overall. So if you're using Windows 10, you can continue for another year for free. Um, Early on, I just found in a forum that they were trying to charge people $30 a device through the Windows Update Enrollment Center. I don't know where that is, but there's something called the ESU, and so you can actually get these extended support updates for another year. And so you just have to go to your settings and then Windows Update and enroll in that. To see that option, you have to have installed the October security updates. And so it'll say 2025-10 update. You have to do that and restart your computer to do that. That's great. But beware. So, where they were trying to charge $30 for it, they made an option that, well, you could pay $30 or you can let us back up your files. And so you have to sign into an online account for Microsoft instead of having a local account. We have, there's a lot of like holdouts like me that had been using an offline account because I feel like it's more secure for a number of reasons. And so what the deal is that if you do that, there is a chance that even if you've, you know, stopped OneDrive from starting up with your computer, there's a chance that after you install that OneDrive will start up and start backing up your files. And so I've done this to a few computers, and it could have been an option that someone clicked that was just like big tech companies will try to send you down this funnel, and they'll try to fool you about something and make it sound like one of the things that Microsoft will try to do. They'll have an option like occasionally when you sign into an online Microsoft thing. It's like, would you like to sync this account across all your files? And that means like have an online account on Windows instead of a local account. But it doesn't say that. It just says something to fool you. So it's like this like new style of marketing. So apparently that's how the new CEO ended up making that company very profitable. And okay, so what do? You could just go to Windows 11. So there's a site that has not let me down yet. I've bought like 15 things from it, and they're like key codes. If you want to install Windows 11, a lot of times, especially if it's a desktop that's been built piece by piece, even if it doesn't say it's compatible with Windows 11, then you could, a lot of times you can Google the model number and then update the BIOS, and there'll be instructions for that. And sometimes after that, you're able to upgrade to Windows 11, and it will tell you on like the BIOS upgrade page. So you could do that. If you need a Windows 11 activation code, I use a site called Stack Social. It's not let me down yet. I'm going to put a link down there. And so if you do that, you'll get a $10 credit, and I'll get a $10 credit. And I'm saving up to buy Windows 11. So, what else? But yeah, there's this TPM chip, and that's the bottleneck that keeps a lot of people from upgrading to Windows 11. And so you may have to get a new PC. But there may be another option. You may be able to design a custom flash drive to bypass that. And so if I can find that, I will also put that under the Stack Social link. But that is about it. There's a certain term that is used when a big tech company goes through this process where they like rope all kinds of users in, and then they start like selling their soul and their users' data. And so that's happening across the board. It's definitely happened with Microsoft. It's the profane version of encrapification that happens. So you can also Google that and be up to date on this trend. So thank you very much. Hope everyone stays safe out there. Have a good one.